The Alaafin of Oyo Oba Bimbola Akeem Owode has addressed the viral video that sparked heated debate across social media platforms following his decision to remain seated while greeting the Ooni of Ife, Oba Adeyeye Enitan Ogunwusi, during a high-profile event in Ibadan, Oyo State. The occasion, which was hosted by Nigeria's First Lady, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, brought together key Yoruba monarchs, while other traditional rulers rose to greet the Ooni. The Alaafin remained seated, prompting a wave of online criticism and speculation about royal protocol and intermonarch respect. In a statement released through his personal assistant, Kolade Oladele, Obawade dismissed the backlash as a needless controversy amplified by online bloggers and social media commentators seeking to stir discord within the Yoruba royal institution. This is yet another episode in the cycle of manufactured outrage that does little to advance the cause of Yoruba unity and development. The statement read, "The Alaafin emphasizes unwavering respect for Oba Ogunwusi and other traditional rulers, noting that harmony among monarchs is crucial to the progress of the Yoruba people." It described the incident as being taken out of context and called for a collective focus on substance rather than symbolism. He further reiterated his dedication to promoting peace, unity, and progress across Yoruba land, encouraging sons and daughters of the region to channel their energies towards constructive pursuits. However, the statement has since calmed some of the tensions online. What's your opinion regarding this new development? We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching Naija News TV.